What is detox? Basically, detoxification means cleansing the blood. This is done by removing impurities from the blood in the liver, where toxins are processed for elimination. The body also eliminates toxin through the kidney, lungs, intestine, and skin. How does toxins enter our bodies? Air. Toxins are present in the air that you breathe. These are called environment toxins. Food. Toxins are present in your food from herbicides, pesticides, and antibiotics. Skin. Toxins are present in the ingredients that are in the product that you use on your body. How to detox? Eat foods in their most natural state. Do not eat food that have pesticides. Detoxing can help you with weight loss, clearer skin, better sleep, improved digestion, and happy smile.